Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust. If it's not foreign from King Mix Up, it's not credible, and you don't know the things that people bless up on the self on the Saturday. You see me, I say? Who I drink coffee, drink them coffee. Who I drink tea, drink them tea. Feel what I'm saying? Because I got a few updates for y'all as usual. One, Kaylan is expected to inform on her attackers. Yes, people. The police them want a statement from Kaylan. You feel what I'm saying? It's alleged that Kaylan is out the hospital. So I'm pretty sure the police wants this investigation to, you know, proceed now that she's, able to, give account of what happened. You see me? If she's able to remember. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, the police then want Kaylan for snitch, and like I said, I just mentioned Kaylan is allegedly at the hospital, and there is rumors spreading that the hospital bill hasn't been paid. Yes, and a lot of donors are talking, and several mix-up sites. You see me? So I want to talk about that. Also, the Queen of Dancehall is still doing her promotional run. You don't know the thing said. It was Good Morning America, Jimmy Kimmel, Wendy Williams. Not in that order specifically, but you know what I mean. And now she's at 105.1. You feel what I'm saying? So it's a good look for the Queen, but she's in serious trouble, people. Me nah lie to you. Me get a piece of food from some females that's when it's concerning the Rasta, you feel what I'm saying? And I'm here to defend Spice, your site, on her being single, because I think people misconstrued or didn't listen to the whole review I did yesterday. But I'm gonna have to defend Spice in an American mindset point of view, and talk about the people them who's upset with Spice a Jamaican point of view. You see me, I said. It's a little bit confusing now, but you'll see what I'm saying when I'm saying it. You feel me? But anyway, people, let's get on with the updates. You don't know the things that I'm going to have a few more updates at the end of this review. So just stick around. Okay, people, justice is almost here for Kaylan. We was one of the first ones to, spread the word that this teenager needs prayers and help, because she was beaten unconscious, and we hear that she's out of the hospital allegedly. So I'm pretty sure that's why the cops want a victim statement. You know, in this incident. But you know what a victim statement means. It means informing and snitching. And you know how that go in the ghetto. You see me, I said, people. So I'm not sure if Kaylan is going to inform. The mother said she had gotten threats already pertaining to the situation. But nevertheless, people, let me read you this article on what the police want from Kaylan, and about the attackers in this situation, and we'll get to the moment, because we hear said Kaylan come out of the hospital and the money never got towards. Me not know still. But anyway, the police want to collect a statement from 17-year-old Kaylan Dowdy, who was beaten within an inch of her life last November and currently on life support. On Wednesday, when the matter was mentioned in the corporate area parish court, the investigating officer indicated that the police are monitoring the teenager's condition. Consequently, another mentioned date was set for July 15, and bail for the 5 women accused of battering Dowdy was extended. And I know you see 6 women on the screen, but one of them, the charges have been dropped, or they never been charged. You don't know what the thing said, But I'm going to call out the people them name that has been charged, The accused 22-year-old waitress, Timon Williams. Well, not charged yet, but you know what I mean. 33-year-old Nadine Aldridge, who is unemployed. 28-year-old call center representative Sakanina McLeod or whatever, 26-year-old sales rep Christian Lewis, and 45-year-old laborer Yolande Vaz. You see what I'm saying? Yes, so those are the 5 women that has been with the police. And the other women you see, names that I didn't call besides Kaylan. I think you're cute and sexy. Yes. Let's proceed. The past student of Papine High School was reportedly attacked and battered by a group of women on Saturday, November 7th at an illegal party in Barbican, St. Andrew. She was allegedly beaten and kicked and stabbed in the neck. Daddy, who was unconscious and had to be fitted with a pacemaker, was reportedly attacked after being accused of staring at one of the women at the party. Outreach is represented by attorney at law Samuel Campbell, and while Shamar Hansen is the lawyer for McLeod, attorney at law Peter Champagny, Queen's Counsel, and Richard Lynch represent Vazel and Lewis respectively. So, people, that's the latest update with that situation pertaining to the investigation aspect. People putting out a comment section, do you think Kaylan will snitch on these women from the ghetto? Yes. Now, people, like I said, the police have been monitoring Kaylan's condition, and it's been reported by mix-up sites that Kaylan is out the hospital, so I can't confirm. You see what I'm saying? But me know the mother, you know, the mother is being accused of not paying the hospital bills, and I use after people them donation money. People don't at me. That's what the people them is saying. People, if you heard the same thing, if you seen Kayla and mom talk about it, putting out a comment section, a lot of people said she shouldn't have wasted money buy a vehicle. She should have used the money and fix up the vehicle that she already had, just buy the parts for the vehicle. But that's not me to say, but yeah, what do you think about that, people? Do you think the mother, you know what, let me get on to the next update. Okay, people business and there, so far we are gonna give it to them. The queen of controversy, Spice. Nah. But the queen of controversy, that's our Queen Spice. Big up yourselves, but you don't know the things that people. Well, she's receiving a little bit of backlash from Jamaican mindset people. You see? And she's also in serious trouble when it comes to the Rasta, so which one should I start with first? Let us start with the Rasta. You see, people, now that the world knows that the queen is single, that only means one thing. So is the Rasta. You see me, I say? And it never take too long for the group of them. Well, let me not say the group of them, but it never take too long for the woman them for reach run with Justin there. You see me, I say? As you see what Creamy Delight says, heard you single, holla at me, Big Daddy. Boy, you can tell she have the American mindset, cause First Lady, big up yourself, Shauna, that's my follower. She said that Creamy simple mistake. She means she ain't married. Boy. Me confuse her ass, but nevertheless, people, that's the type of problem Spice is in with the Ras now. Now the Ras is gonna have a lot of punani thrown at him in his DM and all of these things, So let us proceed to why she's in trouble with the Jamaican people. You see, people, in America, I guess they do that single I guess engaged and then married, then divorced, But them not think like that in Jamaica. You see me, I say, when you're there with a woman or you're there with a man, you're in a relationship. Nobody not thinking about single business. You see me, I say, the world was accustomed to Spice and the Rasta man and her family. You know what I mean? We seen them on holidays and things, So if a Jamaican is asked, you know, but I get it, people. Spice was asked if she was married, you know. That was the question that Wendy Williams asked. She asked Sean Paul, "Are you married?" He said, "Yeah, I'm married. I'm have pitney." Shaggy said, "Yeah, I'm married. I'm have pitney." And she said, "Spice," and Spice said, "No, I'm single." You know what I mean? But Spice never keep it 100% Jamaican, and I get it. She didn't want Wendy Williams to get too talky. So, oh, you're not single, so who you dating? You feel I'm saying? Yes, I get it, but Jamaican people wanted Spice to give the Rasta a lot of credit. You see me, I said, you know, Wendy, me single, you know, but me in a relationship, or they would have wanted her to say, she's single, but she got a king in her life. You feel I'm saying? Give the Rasta a lot of highlight, you know. But I get it, people. I get it. So, don't be mad at one another. You feel I'm saying? It's just two different mindset, and remember, this is the Wendy Williams show. You don't want to get too comfortable. Once you get too comfortable, shit slips out, and when the eyebrows or eyelashes, pop out, you feel? So yeah, people, and don't crucify Spice. You see me? I said, yeah. And don't worry yourself. I got y'all, Um, I got ya. But I just want to give you that quick update with Spice. And yeah. You see me, I said, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, notification bell, because I run you so you get the latest and dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.